how to get voice chat on Roblox. So if you want to get the voice chat on your Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox application, or you can go with your browser and go with roblox.com and go with your homepage. Make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, go with profile, which is on the upper right, or just go with settings and again go with settings. And under settings here, you will have verify my age option. So you just need to simply go and verify your age. Once you verify your age, you just need to simply go with the privacy option, which is here on the left side, and scroll down, and here under your camera input you will have a microphone input option or microphone option. You just need to simply go and toggle on the microphone option. But if you've not verified your account, then you won't be able to do that. If you don't have your information, like if you're not above the age of 13 or if you're not above the age of 18, then what you need to do is simply go with your parents account or parents ID, and then you can verify with your parents ID. Or you can also go with your email address and the phone number. So make sure to just add your email address and your phone number. Once you've added both of that, then you'll be able to have the option of the microphone input. You'll have an option which says use microphone to chat with voice. You just need to simply toggle it on, which will be right here under your microphone and camera input, and you can simply go and toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, then you'll be able to get the voice chat in your Roblox. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.